Alright guys, welcome back to Greasy 46. Today we got the Z uncovered and we're gonna go ahead and take both the cars out, the Z and the coupe. I've never had both of them out obviously, so it'll be cool to see them rolling. And my parents are in town visiting, so I'm gonna take my dad out. He's driven the Z3 before but hasn't driven the coupe ever, and the Z3, you know, we've done a few things to it, so it'll feel a little bit different since the last time he's driven it. And then we're just gonna go see some of the local roads I drive down and then see what he thinks of them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get him started up, and then we'll just get on the road. My car. We got my dad in the Z3 behind us. We're cruising out just to, you've seen it before, it's typically where I cruise. I do like the POV videos there, where, look at him doing his thing. That I usually do for the POV videos and stuff like that. So, yeah, we're just gonna take him cruise. We don't have too many great roads around here, but it's cool. It's cool seeing the car rolling, because I don't get to see obviously my cars roll because I'm the one driving them. So he's driven the Z before, so I'm gonna have him start out with that, and then we'll rip through the roads a little bit, just do a little spirited driving, and then we'll switch cars and see which one he's liking. On paper, I think we know which one's faster. The Z3, just power to weight, should be faster than this E46. Just, you know, E46 weighs like 3,200 pounds. And it doesn't have the 3-liter. The Z's got a 2.8 and weighs like 2,800, I want to say. So, but we're not gonna go crazy or anything. Just it'll be cool. Finally have someone to cruise my own cars with. So we'll see what my dad thinks about them. I really like this road, but this is the only bad thing, is it is kind of like a residential area. So typically, you know, people are trying to go home and do stuff. There's neighborhoods around here, so. But every once in a while, you get lucky, and the road will open up for us, and then it's got some pretty good curves. about to run up on me real quick. He's taking a lot of space. Oh shit. Nah, I just, well, this one for some reason the Z will get a little hot sometimes, but
the what will?
The Z will get a little hot sometimes. It doesn't overheat, but when you let it sit, it'll get like to 220 and stuff like that. So I don't think it's like bad. Yeah, it's just
a fun little car.
Yeah, do you like it? It feels a little different than last time because once we put the wheels on, it like made it more stable, I think.
Coming across that one of them whipping across, I was like, I don't know.
Like coming across that left-hander.
This will hold.
Yeah, it should hold.
Dropped it into fourth and just kicked it up to like 85 coming around.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, if it doesn't hold, then I'm
You're
gonna end up
fucked.
with some grass. But it held.
Yeah.
Just fine.
So Dad's gonna take the coupe now, and I'm gonna take the Z3, and then we're just gonna run back through some of the other roads and see which one he likes more. Give it, I usually don't rev it out to redline because I don't want to be that dude, but can you do it real quick?
Rev it to redline?
Yeah, just I think it sounds pretty good for Just chopping the muffler and shit off? Yeah. Alrighty. He's still gonna follow me, but I'll probably tell him at some point to get in front, just so I can get some footage of him. Damn, that thing looks sick. The Z3 looks good, don't get me wrong, but damn, that thing looks gnarly. All right, let's see. Gotta. Yeah, it's a 5-speed. Hey, so yeah, fifth is kind of weird because it gets stuck in like a gate sometimes. So just make sure it's, I mean, we probably won't need fifth, but it's kind of weird and like way far over. So just be slow with it if you're going like hard fourth to fifth, so you don't fourth to third it. Yeah, it's just a little weird, but you get, yeah, once you feel it, you should be good.
Yeah, you got it.
You good? All right. Yeah, it's like way over there. Everything else is like really easy. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, good. Check engine light on. I'm gonna assume it's the one that always comes on when the car gets hot. It's just a an O2 sensor code. But we'll check it next. We'll check it here soon. That thing looks sick. Damn, that was fun. I can't wait to take these things on to a track. Just fun ass cars, man. Just really, really fun cars. And you don't, I mean, yeah, you gotta do the maintenance to them and all that stuff. More so, I guess, than other cars, but they just have such a, just the feeling on them is just different, man. Like, you gotta put a little more work into it, but you definitely get your work out of it as well, you know what I mean? I like that one better. I'm just gonna let it air out a little bit.
It's got some features about both that I like.
Yeah.
And then some that I don't from either of them. Maybe scratch a bitch in there at one point.
Yeah, I bought it like that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's individual things. These tires are,
yeah, they're
holy
crazy.
Shit, you know, this one.
You feel it.
Yeah.
You trust these a lot more.
Yeah.
But
It just, like you said though, it just feels a lot more
like planted.
stable.
Yeah.
Planted. I like it.
Alright, well, we just got back from the cruise, little drive. All the footage you've seen from the back was from the old Hero 3, so, you know, don't be too hard on it. But yeah, just get another angle. I figured it'd be kind of cool. But yeah, we got back, switched cars a few times, but yeah, obviously just a fun little day, fun little activity to do with my dad. So he you know, getting in them back to back, you can tell the differences. Obviously the coupe's heavier, it's got more suspension work done, so it feels a bit tighter, but both really fun, and it was just a great time cruising out there. So, but yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. That's it for the video. We'll go ahead and get it wrapped up, but thanks for watching. You know, just another POV type drive video. So it was cool seeing a different perspective of the cars while they're rolling. Obviously, you know, don't really get to see that too often. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.